Improving our cognitive skills can make everyday life easier. This video explains how. Do you take notes to remember information that you will need quickly? It's typical. Your working memory isn't used enough. Memory allows us to retain information, but did you know that it can do so in the short and long term? Working memory is a short-term memory which allows you to manipulate information. Imagine that you are visiting a city, but at the subway exit you do not know how to get to the museum. You then ask a passerby to give you directions. This one tells you how to get there. Take the second on the right, then the first on the left. Walk 100 meters and you have reached your destination. Once the tour is over, you have to reach the subway. This is where your working memory steps in, as it allows you to reconstruct the path upside down to create a museum route to the subway. To summarize, working memory will have allowed you to learn information and manipulate it to produce a result. The secret files exercise is perfect for this.